welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see 3DsMax day 1 class. So in this first topic is introduction. So in introduction we'll see what is the full form of 3DsMax. So full form of 3DsMax is 3-dimensional studio max. So this is the full form of 3DsMax. And next, so what is the it is also a CAD software. CAD means computer aided drafting. Okay, if you add design, so this we can call it as CADD. So that is the difference between CAD and CADD. Okay, so next, so what we are going to do in 3ds Max means we'll create 3D modeling. Okay, we'll create a 3D modeling. In 3D modeling, here again we are going to split exterior design and another interior design. Okay, so in 3ds Max, it's a 3D modeling software. In 3D modeling, you can create again exterior and interior designs. Okay, now so the company Autodesk. So the company Autodesk is a software developer and marketing executive. Okay, now it is an extension of, so 3ds Max is a extension of AutoCAD 3D. So if you see AutoCAD 3D and 3ds Max will be similar. Options like box, cylinder, sphere, wall. So that option also we can learn in 3D. But here it will be updated. So here we can create, apply materials, everything. Okay. So I think now you understand what is 3ds Max and introduction of 3ds Max. So what are the who are the company and we have seen. Now we will go to unit conversions. Okay. Next topic is unit conversions. So unit conversions. So this is first topic and this is second topic. So unit conversions, first we'll have 1 meter is equals to how many feet. So here the symbol for feet is single line, single hyphen, and for inches it's double hyphen. Okay. Now tell me what is the value of 1 meter equal to how many feet. So the value is 3.28 feet. Okay. Next, 1 meter equal to how many inches? 39.37 inches. Next, 1 meter equal to how many centimeters? In centimeters, 100. And now in mm, it's 1000. So this is 1 meter. Okay. Now we'll see 1 feet is equals to how many centimeters? So 1 feet equal to 30 centimeters. If you see in mm, it's 300. Now 1 feet is equals to how many inches? So it is 12. So 1 inch is equals to how many centimeters? It is 2.54 centimeters. Coming to in mm, it's 25.40. Okay, this is the value of 1 inch in mm. Okay, now we'll calculate the values. Now we'll convert. Now I will take 12 meters. So if you take 9.2 meters, it's around 30 feet, 30.9 feet it comes. So like this we need to calculate, means so 9.2 into 3.28, so it is equals to, we'll get 30.09 value. So that value it is in a feet. So like that only you need to convert 12 into 3.28, then we'll get a value in feet. Okay, if you want in inches, so 9.2 into 39.37, then we will get the value in inches. Okay, so that you can create, you can calculate. So I think now you understand what is unit conversions. So these are the main units in anywhere. Okay, for creating interior designing or exterior architectural planning, this must and should. Okay. Next, we will see shortcuts in 3dsMax, which we are going to use in regular. Okay. So if you want, you can make a note. Shortcut keys. Shortcut keys in 3dsMax. First, we will see views. So what are the views we have in 3dsMax? Top view, front view, next left view, next perspective view or orthogonal view. So this both will be same. So for top view, shortcut will be T. So here we need not to be enter in keyboard. Just you have to type T, that's all. In AutoCAD, L enter, T enter, like that. In 3dsMax, we'll just type T, that's it. For front view, F. For left, L. And for perspective or orthogonal or 3D view, or to view in a 3D view, shortcut will be P. Okay. And next one, if you want to zoom the drawing, shortcut will be Z. Next, snap toggle, shortcut S. And for next one, angle snap, shortcut will be A. So I will tell you in software, okay, so how to use these tools and all I will tell you in coming videos. So you just make a note, all the shortcuts. Okay. Next one, so for AutoCAD 3999 and for Revit Architecture 5999 and 3dsMax Google SketchUp. Here Google SketchUp I have given for only if you want to learn Google SketchUp, charges will be 5999, and if you want only video also you can learn. So for only video it is 2999. So and Photoshop is 4999. So these are MS Project, Primera, E-Tabs, and if you want to learn Vastu also, I can be like you can learn for 4999. Okay, and for if you anyone want to learn Advanced Excel or Excel, so 3999. Okay, 3999. Now, if you want demo class with project based demo class. Now if you want to, so what are the topics we are going to be covered in AutoCAD for Revit, how the exterior 3D modeling will be done. That demo session you can take down with the platform of Google Meet. Google Meet I can connect to you. So charges will be 399. So you can choose your language. Means if you want to have a demo class in Telugu means you can choose Telugu, and Kannada means if you want you can take Kannada. So Tamil and English. Okay. So these are the available languages. So if anyone is interested to join the course in an online class, so you can contact me, and this is my contact number. Okay, if you have any interested you can join. ఇప్పుడు మీకు తెలుగులోనే డెమో క్లాస్ కావాలంటే నేను వచ్చేసి మీకు విత్ సాఫ్ట్వేర్ మీ గూగుల్ మీట్ నుంచి AutoCAD లో ఎలా చేయాలనేది మీకు చూపిస్తాను అనమాట. ఏం ప్రాజెక్ట్స్ ఎలా ఉంటాయో అన్ని మీకు కావాలో లైవ్గా చూడాలనుకుంటే మీరు నన్ను కాంటాక్ట్ అవ్వచ్చు. సో నా వాట్సాప్ నెంబర్ ఇది. ఈ వాట్సాప్ నెంబర్లో మీరు నాకు జస్ట్ హాయ్ అని చెప్పి మీకు ఏ సాఫ్ట్వేర్ అయితే కావాలో ఆ సాఫ్ట్వేర్ నాకు మెసేజ్ చేశారంటే నేను మీకు లింక్ పంపిస్తాను అనమాట. లింక్ పంపిస్తాను, మీరు దాని ద్వారా ఆ సాఫ్ట్వేర్లో ఎలా ఉంటుంది ప్రాజెక్ట్స్ అనేది ఎలా చేయాలి అనేది మీరు ఒకసారి చూడగలుగుతారు. ಓಕೆನಾ. ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ ನೀವು ಇದು ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು AutoCAD ರಿವಿಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್ಸ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಈ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಿಮಗೆ ಕಲಿಬೇಕು ಅಂತಿದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು 399 ಓನ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ. 399 ರುಪೀಸ್ ಪೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಅಡ್ವಾಂಟೇಜ್ ಅಂದರೆ AutoCAD ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲಾನ್ ಹೆಂಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದೀವಿ ಅನ್ನೋ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಫೈಲ್ನ ನೀವು ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. ಅದೇ ತರಾನೇ ರಿವಿ ಟು 3ds Max ಗೂಗಲ್ ಸ್ಕೆಚಪ್ ಈ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಬೇಸ್ಡ್ ಹೆಂಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ನೀವು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು ಆಯ್ತಾ. ஸோ இப்போ வந்துட்டு இந்த சாஃப்ட்வேர்ஸ்ல இப்போ சிவில் ஆர்கிடெக்ட் இன்டீரியர் டிசைனிங் படிக்கலாம்னு இருக்கீங்க ரைட்டா. ஸோ நீங்கள் வந்து எப்படி இருக்குது அந்த சாஃப்ட்வேரில் வேலை அது நீங்கள் பார்க்கணும்னா நீங்கள் வந்துட்டு ஜஸ்ட் 399 ஓகேனா 399 ಅಲ್ಲಿ இப்போ வந்துட்டு நீங்கள் ஆட்டோகேடில் எப்படி இருக்குது, ஸோ எப்படி பண்ணணும், அவுட்புட் எப்படி வருது, ஸோ அது எல்லாமே நீங்கள் ஒரு வாட்டி பார்க்கலாம் ஓகேவா. ஸோ ஐ திங்க் நவ் யூ அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் வாட் எவர் த செஷன் இன் திஸ் and thanks for watching and do subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.